Good morning, students. Welcome back for online classes. Today we are just going to begin the chapter conjunction. So first let me write the heading. After that we'll begin. Conjunctions. The name of chapter is conjunctions. Fine, students. Now, what is conjunction? So conjunction is the word which join two words, two sentences, two sentences, two phrases and two clauses. It means sentences. Conjunction is the word. It is a kind of connecting word, joining words. Okay, and which joins more than two, sometimes two or more than two words, two sentences, two clauses or two phrases also. Clear? So conjunction is a kind of the connecting word. Okay. So for the example, I'll tell you. In this case, you may understand better. I went to see him, but he was not there. I went to see him, but he was not there. Now see. There are two sentences. I went to see him, he was not there. And two sentences are joined with but. Correct, no? See, I went to see him. He was not there. So how many sentences are there? There are two sentences, and both the sentences are joined with one word. Which word? But. So what is but? But is conjunction. Clear? But is conjunction. As I told the definition of conjunction, conjunction is a word which joins two words, more than two words, two phrases, and two clauses. In this example, we find here clear. Two sentences. It is joined with the two sentences. This is the first sentence and this is the second sentence. Clear? So it joins here two sentences also. Second example, he gave me a pen, clear, and a book. See, he gave me a pen and a book. Now see, he gave me a pen and a book. So here joining word is and. Joining word is and na? And he gave me a pen and a book. So a pen, this is the first word and this is the second. So here a pen, two words are coming, it means this is a phrase. When one word comes, that is word, and more than one word, that is known phrase. A and pen. So there are two words there. So this is phrase, a book. This is again two words, this is also phrase. So and it is joined with the and. So what is and here? And is the connector, joining word, and it here joins two phrases. So as I told that conjunction is the word, it joins two sentences, words, more than two words, and phrases also. In this way you will find a number of the example to define about the conjunctions. Clear? So you all know about it, conjunctions. Now just I am going to tell about the parts of conjunctions. Okay? So there are especially two parts of conjunctions. Here there are especially two parts of the conjunction. Let me remove this one, then I'll. Example is over now. Now just I am going to write about the part of conjunctions. So this especially how many parts are? There are two parts of conjunctions. So first part is known as a coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions. And second part is known as a First part. Let me complete the first part, then I will tell you second part also. Clear? First part is the coordinate conjunctions. Coordinate conjunctions. Here, coordinate conjunctions you will find in a compound sentences also. Compound sentences means it joins two independent clauses. So coordinate conjunctions, the words which come in coordinate conjunctions, those I am just going to try to write here. Understand, students? That you may understand these words come in a coordinated conjunction. Like and, but, or, nor. And, but, or, nor, yet. Here, these are the words come here. For as well as. For also comes. As well as. These kind of the words comes in a coordinate conjunctions. Even in coordinate conjunctions, next part, the sub part, just I am going to tell you, that is also correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions means when one word comes. So that is known as a coordinate conjunctions. In coordinate conjunction, one more conjunctions come, that is known as a correlative conjunctions. So correlative conjunctions, I am just going, this is the sub part. Okay, this is the sub part. So I am writing here as a part of coordinate conjunctions, that is the sub part. Okay, so here correlative conjunction. Correlative conjunction, if in a one sentence we find more than one conjunction, that is known as a correlative conjunctions. Example like not only but also. Clear? But also. Clear? Both and. Either or, neither nor. Clear? It's in one sentence we find two conjunctions, that is known as correlative conjunctions. And correlative conjunction is also part of the coordinate conjunction. It is not separated. This is the part of the coordinate conjunctions. So by the example I will tell you. Clear? For example, yes, I am going to write either you or your friend. Either you or your friend has stolen my pen. Either you or your friend has stolen my pen. So see, either or. So this is the complete one sentence, na? This is complete one sentence, but I use here two conjunctions here. This is complete one sentence, but one sentence I use two conjunctions, either or. Clear? So either and or, this is known as a correlative conjunctions. Same thing, neither nor, not only but also. Such kind of the sentences are also used in correlative conjunctions. Like you can neither read nor write. Clear? So that is known as a neither nor. She is not only intelligent but also laborious. She is not only intelligent but also laborious. So use of not only but also. Both my uncle and my brother. Both my uncle and my brother are coming today. Understand na? So both, use of both and. So in this case we use correlative conjunctions, and correlative conjunction is the part of the coordinate conjunctions. Is it clear? Coordinate conjunctions. such kind of the conjunction connector comes in coordinate conjunctions. Now just I am going to tell you the next part of the conjunction, that is known as the subordinate conjunctions. So this is the conjunction. First is known as coordinate conjunction. Correlative is the part of the coordinate conjunctions. Second is known as the subordinate conjunctions. So basically there are two parts of conjunction: coordinate conjunction and subordinate conjunctions. Understand now? So correlative conjunction is not third. This is the part of coordinate conjunctions. Is it clear now? And coordinate conjunction is over. Now just I am going to tell you about the subordinate conjunctions. So subordinate conjunction, students, usually the time, place, manner, reason, such kind of the word comes in a subordinate conjunctions. So let me write first. Second is subordinate conjunction. Mate conjunction. Subordinate conjunctions. Now we'll study subordinate conjunction. What kind of the things come in subordinate conjunctions? So as I told you about here, time comes, region comes, result comes, conditions comes, contrast comes. Okay, time, reason, contrast, condition. Condition means like if you work hard, you will succeed. So if this word is like, okay, one example I am writing here in better. Like say if you work hard, you will succeed. If you work hard, you will succeed. See, so this part, this if is this. What is if? If is subordinate conjunctions. Understand now? And it tells the condition. Condition is what? If you work hard, you will succeed. So subordinate conjunctions usually used with the dependent clauses also. When you will study the kinds of sentences, structures, in that part, subordinate conjunction becomes dependable clause. Okay, a subordinate clause is also known as subordinate clause. So in such cases we use subordinate conjunction. So if is subordinate conjunction, understand now? And if you work hard up to here, this is not subordinate clause also. But right now I'm just teaching you conjunction, so you understand that if is what? Subordinate conjunctions. Is it clear, students? Some more example I can also provide to you of the subordinate conjunctions, then you may see it. Okay. Here just I am going to tell you some points here, like in subordinate conjunctions what point comes? Time. Time example, till, until, between, you, when and before we also use, like wait here till I return. Clear? Or you may also use, okay, she had died before I had reached there. Understand now? So in this case we can use after the doctor came after the patient had died. The doctor came after the patient had died. So after is what? Subordinate conjunction. It is the time. Clear? So time. Next I am just going to tell about the reason. Reason also come in a subordinate conjunctions. Like if you say, okay, he will not come because he is ill. So because he will not come because he is ill. So because is what? Because is here conjunctions. What conjunction? Subordinate conjunction. And it does the reason. Because does the reason. So it is like such way we can use. He will go there since you okay, I will go there since you desire to go. So since is also, it does the reason. So since word comes. Clear? Because comes, as also comes. Next tell result. result. Result also comes. So for the result, he was so intelligent that he won the first prize. He was so intelligent that he won the first prize. So that is telling what? Region. So that tells the region. Understand now? Like in such case we can use purpose. Already I told. No? Purpose. Purpose say like we eat that we may live. We eat that we may live. So what is the means we live. So that is telling what? The purpose of living. So in this case that is also this is used for the purpose. Okay. Result also tell result as already I told result. Clear? Condition. This is the condition. If you work hard, you will succeed. It is the conditions. The comparison is also used. Comparison. Comparison. Okay. Subordinate comparison is also. He is as clever as you. He is as clever as you. So as it is compared between two persons. So that is also subordinate conjunctions. Okay. So these are the things: time, place, region, okay, result, purpose, comparison. These kind of the things come in a subordinate conjunctions. Clear, students? One more thing, a special thing, that is the part of the adverb also, and it works as a conjunction. That I'm just going to write here. Conjunctive adverbs. This is the last one. Conjunctive. Okay. Conjunctive adverbs. Even it is a conjunction, that word is used adverb because it defines the sentence. Okay. So when we talk about the conjunctive adverbs, it means such kind of the conjunction, it defines the flow of the thoughts, the flow of the ideas. It tells the complete sentence. Here, it is used for the complete sentence. That is known as flow of ideas, and it gives the flow of ideas from one sentence to another sentence, or one paragraph to another paragraph. So that is known as a conjunctive adverb. It is a part of conjunction also. And what kind of the word comes? Usually the words comes therefore, yet, otherwise, however, therefore. Okay, such kind of the words comes in a conjunctive adverbs. Clear? It's a kind of the logical ideas. It gives the logical ideas. So by the example, I can tell you better. He will never succeed. He will never succeed. However, okay, he will never succeed. However, hard he tries. So in this part, however, this is the conjunctive adverb, and it is the sense of the complete sentence. It is the sense of the complete sentence. He will never succeed, however hard he tries. Understand this, students? So it is the complete sense of the sentence. So that is known as a conjunctive adverb. And because it tells the complete meaning of the sentence, that is the adverb it is used. Otherwise, this is the part of conjunction. It is the part of conjunction. Understand, students? So in this way, now just I am going to end the class. So once again, a recap of the class. The conjunction. Okay, I told the conjunction: the joining word, phrase, sentences. Okay, and there are two parts of conjunction: subordinate conjunction and coordinate conjunction. Coordinate conjunction, I told, that is the joining words, and moreover it is okay, it is used for the independent clauses also. In coordinate conjunction, one the part I told, that is the correlative conjunction. There are two words comes, and with example I taught you. And second part of the conjunction is subordinate conjunctions, where I told the time, reason, result, purpose, comparison, such kind of the words comes, and last the conjunctive adverbs. Why in this way? Just I'm going to end the session. There's a need to go through the videos. Clear, students? Okay, just I'm going to wind up the class. Thank you. Have a nice day.